Hi you guys, and welcome back to another one. Hi guys, currently out at Virginia Waters. It's somewhere in the UK, somewhere in Surrey, somewhere down south, but yeah, currently here. And yeah, just gonna go out for a walk. I couldn't do my run this morning, so I thought, you know what, if I can't do my run, walk. Like I always say, guys, if you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, just, you know, do whatever you feel comfortable with. If that's dancing, moving around, yeah, just do it. So currently out and about, gonna just go around the lake. If you guys can see, gonna go around all the lake and get our steps in for the day. So guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you click on that like and you thumbs it up. Okay guys, let's be active, let's be well, and let's make sure that each and every single day, weekly, monthly, we do something towards enhancing the betterness of our health and our well-being, and we share it to people and then we share it out. Okay, health is truly wealth, because if we're not healthy, if we're not able to do daily tasks, then what are we living for, you know? So guys, let's go out on the walk. There's literally like people about, but let's go out for the walk and enjoy the scenery. Is absolutely beautiful. It's actually my first time coming here, so yeah, let's go, 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 let's go. I am done with my walk. I think I walked for like, I don't know how many kilometers, but it's been over 2 hours. So yeah, I'm done with my walk, so heading back now. I don't know if you guys can see, but the sun is actually going down. That's how much I've walked, that the sun is setting. But yeah, sun setting over there. It was nice and sunny earlier. But yeah guys, like I always say, make sure that you keep fit, you keep active, and yeah, keep fit, keep active. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, like the video, and share where you can. Let's keep active, let's continue to be fit, continue to be well, look after our wellness, our mental health, our physical health. And yeah, heading back now. I hope you guys enjoy the park. It's lovely, lots to do, lots to, great for family or just anyone that wants to be outside in the outdoors. Looks like I'm in a different country, isn't it? Yeah, it could be in a different country. Ooh. But yeah guys, I really hope you have enjoyed it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe. Once again, see you guys next time. Bye.